Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of chicken spring roll. I have made a crepe and then a chicken filling and deep fried it. This is best party snack and do give a try. Let's see how to prepare the spring roll. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it and add finely chopped 1 big size onion. Saute it until it turns translucent. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of fennel powder and 1 chopped green chili. Saute it nicely until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Now add in 250 grams of boneless minced chicken. Saute it nicely until everything combines well. Add in salt as needed. The chicken wouldn't take much time to cook. After cooking the chicken for 10 minutes, add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add in half finely chopped capsicum and coriander leaf. Saute it for a couple of minutes and switch off the flame. The chicken filling is ready now. Next, I'm going to prepare the crepe. For that, take 1 cup of maida in a mixer grinder jar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 egg, salt as needed, and 2 cups of water. First, I have added 1 cup of water and grinded it into a thick batter. Then I added remaining water and grinded it into a loose batter. Transfer the batter in a mixing bowl. Give it a mix and this should be the consistency of the batter. So add in water accordingly while grinding. Now let's prepare the crepe. I find it easy to make crepe in this appam pan. Grease the pan with oil and wipe the excess oil. Pour in a ladle of batter. Give it a swirl like this so that we'll get thin crepe. If the crepe is thick means it will break while rolling. So make sure to prepare very thin crepe. Once the crepe is cooked, you can remove it. We do not want to cook it on the other side. I have applied corn flour so that the crepe doesn't stick to each other. The crepes will stick to each other if you don't dust it with corn flour. You can prepare crepe in a non-stick pan as well. So make sure to use non-stick pan to prepare crepe. The crepes are ready now. Next, I am going to assemble the spring roll. Take a crepe and place the filling towards the bottom part of it. Cover both the sides and roll it gently. Stick the ends with the maida paste. For the maida paste, I have mixed in 2 tablespoons of maida and water as needed to form a paste. If the crepe is thick means it will break while rolling. So we have to prepare it at right texture. The spring rolls are almost ready and with this measurement we will be able to make 9 spring rolls. Here I have taken egg and breadcrumbs. Dip the spring roll with egg and dust it with breadcrumbs. The spring rolls will be little crispy when we give this breadcrumbs coating. You can store these spring rolls in freezer and use it when required. Now it's time to fry the spring rolls. Heat enough sunflower oil in a kadai and add in the spring rolls. Fry it until it turns golden brown color. Fry the spring rolls at high flame since the chicken masalas are cooked already. Chicken spring rolls are fried perfectly and it's time to remove it. Restaurant style delicious chicken spring rolls are ready to be served now. You can serve these spring rolls with ketchup. I'll slice a spring roll and show how it looks inside. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.